What's up YouTube, True 10 here. I'm going to do an unboxing of this Panda Box. It is by Wind of Fireworks, Safe and Sane. This assortment contains items, blah blah blah, whatever. Let's get to it. Okay, see if I can take this off. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. Finally was able to take that off. Let's start from the top. This here is, oops, upside down. Captain's Castle Fountain. It's showers of sparks. I'm gonna say that they're all fountains. Next, we have a cuckoo fountain, or actually, it should be a junior. There it is, a junior cuckoo. We've all seen those. Pretty cool little ones. Next up here, this one is golden flower. Again, caution, emits showers of sparks. It has 2 packs of these bang snaps. There's the 1 pack, the 2nd pack has a 3-piece little pack of junior cuckoos. Safe and Sane logo. We have, it says Fancy Town. I have 2 of the same ones. Yes. And then next, some blackjacks. Wonder what that is. Let me open it up just to see if it's just like jumping jacks or. Oh, no, it's 4 little fountains. You can see in here. And then we have a friendship fountain. Another junior cuckoos. So that's 6 already. No, 5. We have snowball. And last but not least, dream flower. So here it is, guys. Let me put it over here. That's what comes in this little assortment. Not too bad. Thanks for watching. Peace out.